G Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? Tall guy in the flesh, back with yet another legendary video. This legendary video is brought to you by and sponsored by, and we partner with the Ridge. Now, if you know me, you've been rocking with me for a very long time, then you know about the Ridge. The Ridge wallet is a tight, compact, stylish, sleek designed wallet that I've been using for a long time. And even when I don't talk about this wallet in every last one of my videos, y'all see it in every last video because I got it in my pocket every single day. I really can't go back to the old grandpa wallet after this Ridge wallet, and it holds up 12 cards, got over 30 different styles, over 40,000 5-star reviews, got a money clip for the cash because you gotta have the cash to get to the ass. But while y'all are getting a chance to click that link below in the description and get your Ridge wallet right now, we are gonna get this video started. Let's go, baby. Come on now, y'all see what's going on. You see my dog Shray Media in the Hondeezy, getting that footage for y'all. Obviously, y'all can tell it's a whole new video. We are in the TRX, Ram Breezy 3.0 that is. Make sure y'all subscribe right now. If you ain't already subscribed while you're watching this video, turn on post notifications, hit that thumbs up, click that bell, and go crazy and watch this video from beginning to end. And don't skip none of the ads or none of the above. Now, without further ado, can't y'all see that this joint is sitting up more sturdy, it's sitting more high? And it still got that get up, even with 37-inch tires, man. I hope y'all watched the last video. And if you didn't, you'll see that I got this joint lifted, the big things in the coils and all that. And then I got the big 37-inch tires put on here. Uh-oh, do we got a Raptor coming up, I see? Let me show them what's going on. Come on over here, man. No, don't try to stay away from this. Come on, come here. Come take a good look at this. Oh, see, he don't want to get close. Y'all see him? Look, he don't want to get close. Come on over here, man. Look how slow I'm going. Come on, man. Come on over here, man. Oh, yeah, look. Let me get over here a little bit and see what's going on. We got a charger right there trying to smash. Y'all see what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Just grinding as usual. And I hope y'all enjoying this top of the moon content. Like I said, man, hit the thumbs up on this video right now. Tap in, subscribe, turn on post notifications, click that bell, watch this video from beginning to end, and don't skip none of the mads. I greatly appreciate it. And while y'all doing everything, make sure y'all tap in with me and my wife's YouTube channel, Love It Slim. We just dropped a video on there as well today. And we got some more shit going up there tomorrow, and we producing and coming up with some more content today too. So make sure y'all don't miss it. But yeah, man, last night when I was driving this joint home, my dog Sako told me to drive calm. Don't drive fast, drive calm. But y'all know I couldn't help myself. And I was smashed. I got up to about X amount of miles per hour, I ain't gonna say. And it got a little bit more squirrely, like on the front end, as far as I think the tires need to settle, because my dog Sako told me after 500 miles to go that we're going to come back up there and get everything recalibrated, tightened up, and that way we go off-road Sunday. Sunday, we got some off-road content that me, my dog Sako, my dog Mr. Organic, my dog Sway, and my dog from Reed are going to be getting to. Right here, look, we got one of these, what a sand dune runner type trucks. You can always tell by the fenders right there. Yeah, that's one of them joints. Might be hitting big jumps in that joint and everything. But Yeah, we're going to do that too, so stay tuned for all that as well. We're going to get some big modifications on the Ram TRX. I'm just having fun again with the content, y'all, and I'm loving this shit, and it's something that I've never done before. You know, man, come on, bro, ain't no hood mother ever just stepped out and been out on the most off-road and all that, and they put it on YouTube. It's never been done in history, what I've been doing, and what me and my dog, Mr. Organic, have also done from the very beginning, and what my dog, Mr. Organic, has done in general. Look how crazy he went with all them whips, with the mansion, with everything, the cars, the clothes, the jewelry, the everything. Like, everything we've done has always been groundbreaking from the very beginning. Not too many people in the world talk like us. Not too many people in the world think like us. No, not too many people in the world plan like us to even always stand out and never fit in. Like, there's so many quotes, so many models, so many things that you can see just from our demonstration that we were talking about in the last video that people can follow, and it's such a niche thing that, you know, the masses will just never understand. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to really be like one of them anointed, God made you different, special thinker, special brain type people to really be able to tap in with us and really be able to understand the shit that we saying when we saying it, and understand the stuff that we do when we're doing it and how we're doing it. You know what I'm saying? It's just, we're not them people that's like everybody's gonna understand, and we cool with that. We knew that coming into the game almost 5 years ago. We've been doing this, you know what I'm saying? So it wasn't like we ever came in and was like, oh, we're gonna be the biggest and the most. No, we was like, listen, for the people that's like us, the people that's come from where we come from, the environment in which we come from, and understand us and the way we think and everything, how we move, we're doing it for them. So for all the G Squad and all the Organic Nation out there that's like us, that move like us, that think like us, that talk like us, that dress like us, everything like us, we doing this for y'all. And the reason why we ever did YouTube or social media in general was for that reason. I felt like to come from where I came from and to go through what I've been through, you know, I felt like not too many people has ever walked in my shoes to be able to do or go through what I've been through, and to be able to come and make it through all that adversity, all them obstacles, all them hurdles, and still be able to get to this point 5 years in the game to be able to do what I've done. That's why when y'all be like, man, Slim, you're always so optimistic. Slim, you're always inspiring and motivating. Slim, you this, Slim, you that. I don't wake up every day trying to inspire people. I don't wake up every day saying, oh, I'm gonna go out there today and I'm gonna motivate somebody. Like, that's not my stilo. That's not how I move. But the thing is that sometimes when I get to talking like today, and the spirit kind of just moved me, I can't help but to tap into it. I can't help but to reach into my bag and give somebody this game, to be able to give somebody this inspiration, to be able to give somebody this motivation, to let you know if you're in a fucked up situation and life just ain't going the way you want it to, it's okay. Because that's exactly how God wanted you to go through it. You see what I'm saying? We so busy always trying to make life succumb to us. No, life succumbs to nobody but God. Everything that we go through is for a reason. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I'm never ever like down. I mean, it happens. I'm human. You know what I'm saying? But the thing is when y'all always saying what y'all saying about me and my personality and my temperament and how I move and the shit I be saying, it's because I know I'm anointed. Like this, I know I got a different type of wokeness about me. You know what I'm saying? And I know for the people that's been tapping with me for a long time, I know y'all know this. You know what I'm saying? That's why I don't trip about nothing. Something goes wrong, cool, I don't give a fuck. Oh, I lose a friend, cool, I don't give a fuck. Cool, I lose a family member, cool. I don't give a fuck about nothing. You wanna know why? Because I know that God's making me systematically go through everything that I'm going through for a reason. God give his toughest battles to his toughest soldiers. Y'all heard me tell my dog, Omi the Hellcat, that. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. So what the fuck am I worried about? If I'm the toughest, he gonna give me the toughest shit. So what the fuck am I complaining about anything? You know what I'm saying? Like, if you really believe in God and you really believe that God got a plan for every last one of us and what we go through in life, it all happens for a reason, then what the fuck are we complaining about at any point in time? Why? For what? It ain't gonna solve shit. All it's gonna do is make it worse. All it's gonna do is make it miserable. Because all you're gonna do is want to soak in the corner, sit there and ball into a fetal position and give up on life. But if you really believe and you really know you're anointed and touched by God, then you know he's gonna give his toughest battles to his toughest soldiers. So what the fuck? Well, that's a badge of honor. Cool, bring more shit my way. Give me more hurdles. Give me more obstacles. Because that shows me that's how much God believes in me, because he knows I'm gonna make it through this shit. That's why I'm always positive. That's why I'm always optimistic. Because I know I ain't never going down. Because listen, I'm anointed by God. I'm touched by God. You can't go through what I've been through in life and be able to make it to where I'm at today and not be touched by God. It's just a fact. So as long as God got me, no weapon formed against me shall ever prosper. Y'all have heard the saying. So that's why I can always be optimistic. That's why I'm always gonna have the good energy. That's why I can always talk the way that I talk and move the way that I move. Because I believe everything that I'm fucking saying. Not too many people in the world can say that because they ain't gonna believe it. I know I believe it. I know I'm anointed. I know God got something big planned for me. You know what I'm saying? So when everything wasn't going my way, if I had just been in prison and I just accepted the circumstances, I'm a 7-time felon, the world is over because everybody's telling me the world is over because I'm a 7-time felon. If you ever heard anybody come from prison that was a 7-time felon, sit there and tell you that they was going to own a Lamborghini Aventador, Lamborghini Urus, Ram TRX. I mean, listen, I'm a 7-time felon, but I'm sitting in a 100,000 plus pickup truck with a Hellcat engine to go with it. And on top of that, got a Hellcat red eye that I barely fucking drive. And on top of that, my wife has a Lamborghini Urus that I bought her. What are we talking? And I've owned a Lamborghini Aventador. I've owned a McLaren. Like, what are we talking about? I live in Southern California, man. Let's get an understanding of what the fuck is going on in the world. And people can wonder, hey, I'm not worried about failing with nothing because no matter what, I can never fail. You want to know why? Because I already made it. Look where I've been through. Look where I'm at today. And look at the shit I continue to do. Look at the shit I'm going to continue to manifest. Look at the shit I'm going to continue to work into existence, believe into existence, and speak it into existence. Because that's what I'm doing right now, right? I'm talking to y'all. So this is how this shit goes. So if you don't believe in yourself, man, I feel bad for you because you ain't never going to make it that far in life. And if you're worried about the approval of others and what people are saying, you really ain't going to make it far.